In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share snapshots in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to package up your assets from one sub-account and make them available to others with a simple link. First, let's create a snapshot. Head into Agency View, which is the high-level dashboard where you manage all your sub-accounts. From there, open Account Snapshots. This is your central hub for packaging assets like funnels, workflows, emails, pipelines, forms, and more into a reusable bundle. Click the plus Create New Snapshot button to start the process. Next, select the sub-account you want to copy. This tells GoHighLevel which account's assets you're bundling. After you choose it, wait for the assets to load. Depending on how much you've built, this can take a moment. Keep the tab open while it gathers everything. Once the list appears, you can choose exactly which assets to include. If you're not sure what to pick, it's perfectly fine to leave the default selection, which typically covers the essentials for a clean transfer. When you're happy with the selection, click Create. GoHighLevel will assemble the snapshot in the background and add it to your snapshot list. Quick note while we're here, if you need the website link to access or learn more about GoHighLevel, I've placed it right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. Now, let's share that snapshot. Go back to Account Snapshots where you'll see your newly created snapshot listed. Locate it in the list, then click the Share or Export icon, the one with the arrow. GoHighLevel will generate a unique snapshot link. Copy that link and send it to others, whether that's your team, a client, or a partner. When they open the link, they'll be able to import the snapshot into their own account or sub-account, instantly getting the same assets you packaged. It's a fast, reliable way to standardize setups, replicate proven systems, and keep your deployments consistent across multiple accounts. That's all there is to it. You've created a snapshot from a sub-account, selected exactly what to include, and shared it using a secure, shareable link. This workflow saves hours of rebuilding and helps you maintain quality control across every rollout. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to use the link at the top of the description to get where you need to go faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.